Every scholar that comes out of a public policy program is going to learn the art and science of designing a policy and seeing the impact. In 9 out of 10 cases, those policies will have a business at the core as a subject, as an audience, or as the entity which will be impacted. Therefore, it is absolutely mandatory for these professionals to understand the nut and bolt, the nuances, and the intricacies of measuring the health of the business. If you also look around, the government is coming out with regulations on ESG and ESG rating providers. Government is coming out with regulations on trading cycles. The trading settlement cycle in India today is T+0 on 25 scripts, which is even better and faster and more efficient than some of the evolved economies compared, such as including the US. The government is coming out with anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism funding. There are some regulations on account of the social stock exchange, which has become a reality. So all in all, if you look around, the regulators in India have done a decent job of placing Indian regulatory architect at a level where the next 10 years can really build onto that. You have to understand that every doctor is a medical professional, but there are specialist doctors for every body part. Similarly is the case with a policy expert. Any scholar of a public policy who wants to work in the space of the finance and capital market as a specialist must understand the working of different instruments, different intermediaries, how the different nuances of the capital markets are intertwined with each other, and must spend some time in exploring different ideas. I must also suggest that they should think beyond just this program on policy, and also think of taking up the professional courses such as CFA and FRM to stand out in the eyes of the employer and make their candidature count.